Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is February the 21st, 2021, and I want to give y'all an update. I want to thank each and every one that left me comments on my last video when I was posting about, it was about my mom and what I was going through with her and all. So I just want to give y'all an update and everything, and I want to thank y'all for all of those comments that y'all left me. It really inspired me. I was very touched, by all those comments and some of the comments and what y'all shared with me. And what I want to tell y'all is, yeah, my mom, she's still hanging in there. I mean, she's still under the hospice care, and it's been one of those. Can I say? It's been up and down, up and down. I mean, it was. What can I say? It was a week ago that. Before that, not last week, but a week before, they had called me and told me, so, well, Curtis, it's not looking good, and you need to start, you know, preparing and getting everything in order and all, and, for making funeral arrangements. And so I was just, I'm like, it was hard. It's been hard, and it's still hard. Well, I went on and I had to do that, so I went on and made those arrangements. And then as time went on, they called me and said, she's amazing. She's she she's awake and she was talking, and then they were able to give her something to eat and all. So I've been going back and forth, visiting my mom and checking on her and all, and it's hard, see your parents just laying there and they become bedridden. And I know it's something that, when she was in the, let's just say in better health and everything, it was one of those things when we talked about it. It was stuff that she never wanted. She didn't never want nobody, um, you know, uh, taking care of her for, personal hygienes and all that. But sometimes in life, we never know as we get older what situation we're gonna be involved with, and that hurts. But we just hope that we, can stay fully functional, where that we can see, hear, and walk and do for ourselves. But as like I say, as you get older, we don't know. But and you're blessed if you get older and you can still do all the functional things that we normally do in life. You know, prepare our meals or travel, just get out and work, uh, just do normal stuff that we normally do for ourselves. It's something to be thankful for. But only time will tell as life goes on. So you have to try to just, what can I say, do do the best you can do for yourself and hope for the best as you get older. Yeah. But I just wanna, I want to tell you, update y'all, and let y'all know that it's been rough here in Texas. It has been rough. Um, me dealing with that with my mom and all. And then last week, uh, having no, well, having no electricity, having no water, having no heat. Just, it's just been rough all over. I mean, it was, it was just, oh man, last week was really messed up. Now, last week you wouldn't see me out here with a short sleeve shirt on or sitting out here on my tailgate because I was in the house trying to keep warm, uh, which I didn't have no heat, didn't have no gas. I couldn't. really cook anything. I mean, everything was off. I mean, it was just rough. I mean, when that ice storm came, uh, it was like, man, it was. I mean, it was all over, and I mean, still going through it. I mean, a lot of neighbors had busted pipes, um, and they got to get that repaired, and then stuff didn't have, well, no water, no drinking water, or nothing. It was a shortage on that. I'm like, wow. I mean, just in a matter of days, imagine everything that's changed in your life. I mean, just a matter of days. I mean, it was like, like you never seen nothing like it. It's like, what? Everything was fine, and then it's like, man, how did, you think back, you're like, how did they live years ago without all of this nice appliance? You got appliances that you can't use, television you can't see, stove you can't use, no running water. I was like, man, and it's cold. I mean, whoa, it was cold. I mean, it got down about, let's see, it was like, I'm checking, it was 12 degrees. I'm like, 12. I mean, everything was freezing out. Like, man, you can't drive. The roads froze over, black ice, all of that. Just dangerous. It was, it was something. And my main concern, I was still thinking about my mom and hoping that my mom was all right. Couldn't even really use my phone. The networks, all of that. I couldn't use nothing, the cell phone. No internet. It was rough. It was, I mean, really rough. But I'm thankful that I didn't get any busted pipes or anything. And as time went on, I was thinking about it, and I was like, well, this shall come to an end. And always, things always change. Things always come to an end, and then it goes back to the normal way of living. Things get better again. But that last week, it was like, man, say this is rough. But thinking about it, and I was like, man. And my main concern, I just wanted to get out, and I wanted to go and see my mom and see how she was doing, and where she was. I mean, they were having the same problems there. No electric, no water, nothing. But they did take care of my mom. They kept her warm and everything, and she was, still, she's still hanging in there. Like I say, it's still hard for me, but she was hanging in there, and she could talk a little bit, but then she would, try and talk to her, and she would say a few words, and then, she will fall back to sleep and all. But it was the times where I was like, when they told, I was like, man. And I must say, I've had my times where I've been going through it for is just crying, crying because it's one of those things. What can I say? I'm the only child. I don't have no sisters and brothers, so that's it. My mom and my dad's gone. So then, when my mom passed, then that's just been it. I mean, I got a lot of relatives and cousins and all, and that's good, but it's nothing like that, having your mom there, So, yeah. But, I mean, from growing up, my mom always would made sure that, well, I ain't never really wanted for anything. My mom and my dad always, if I just mentioned it, that I wanted to get something, next thing I know, it was there. And I was like, wow. So that's something that, I'm just thankful for my parents. I'm thankful for them. I love my parents. And I know these these times will come where you have to go through something in life and you don't want to go through nothing like that. Because it is. Mm-mm. And, for me reading all y'all comments, like I say, y'all, I want to thank y'all again for those comments. Just thank y'all. Because sometimes people may not understand. It, you know, it's rough. I mean, I don't care nothing about no materialistic stuff. The only thing I care now about is my mom, but I know she's sick, and I want her, well, as I say, if she could get back better. But if she doesn't, I'm thankful for all the days and time that she was here with me. But I'm still, you never want that to happen to you. You don't. You just want to keep going in the way that you're used to going, and used to going and seeing your mom and talking to her and being with her, and just sharing a good life. So it's like, if you can, you do all you can do, and that's what I've been doing, y'all. That's what got me to doing this lawn care. I mean, it was times when I was out. I mean, I was out working. I mean, traveling the United States and all, and working and making good money and all. And I came back home, and I stayed, and the reason I stayed to be near my parents, to help them. I mean, like I say, they helped me. From me being a baby, from growing up, I never wanted for nothing. They sent me to college. They bought me a new car. Well, actually gave me a car, and then they bought me a new car. And just always there, wanting to help me in any kind of way they could possibly help me. And that's something I just want to say. I'm just thankful for my parents, because you know, and it's hard for me to just I'm just expressing my feelings. I'm trying to do this in this video and just share this with y'all of what I've been going through and the rough times that I've been going through here. So I know in the comments, and I know sometimes people say, well, Curtis, when you gonna come back? Leave me comments. I thank the ones that have called me and reached out to me and all. I appreciate that, y'all. Because hey, I tell you, y'all, by doing that, through the social media, y'all really what I can't say, lift me up. Sometimes you feel like you're just out here by yourself, and you're doing this and you're doing that, and it's like, man, it's like, what do I do now? Where do I go now? And that's kind of way I've been feeling. It's like, what do I do now? But I plan to carry on this year and try to do some lawn care work. That's my plan. I plan to try to do that. I really do. I plan to try to keep going on and moving on and seeing what I can do, and just thinking about it, which it's nothing really. I haven't really been doing any work towards in this lawn care, but I may get a call off and on about doing some lawn care work. As as time passes and the grass starts growing, as you can see now, everything. Well, my lawn. You see, from that that ice storm that came through, everything was froze over, so all this grass is like all brown now. It's not looking good out here. But I would say around maybe next month, March, April, everything should be greening up and all. So hopefully that time frame I'll get back out, start doing some lawn care work, and meanwhile, what I'm gonna take and do is little well, I'm gonna take and tune up my mowers. I'm gonna get them all in shape for get all oil change, filters, just get all my equipment all tuned up, and get it set up ready to roll. And I'm gonna see from there, all my equipment that I think that's good and some that's not good, then I'm not gonna worry with that. I mean, I will I don't know. I was like I say, I don't want to say that I'm gonna buy something and I may not buy nothing. It just depends on circumstances of how I feel and what I'm going through, during this year. And it's like right now, I just going, well, rough times. Just going through some rough times. So I will, as I say, hopefully as the year goes on, things will get better, and I will, like I say, do some work here. But I hope all y'all are out there doing good, and I wish everybody, hopefully a prosperous year, a healthy year, where everybody can stay well. We still, with this pandemic and this virus and this vaccine and all of that, hopefully everybody can get their shots and just, be healthy and well, because it's just this, ooh, it's been something, y'all. I must say, it has been something. Yeah, it has been something. But like I said, stuff I done went through, and I mean, just going through it now. But anyway, y'all, I'm finna get out of here, and I will be posting. I'm gonna post some more videos again, and me probably doing a little work on the mowers, and basically just probably, let me see, tuning them up. And if I do a little lawn care work, I may share a little bit of that. I'm looking at my tree here, and I need to trim it. See why these branches are hanging down over here, and I need to trim that up. So I need to get out here and kind of trim that up. And what it is, some of that will probably just take my mind off of some of the stuff that I've been thinking about, because it's just one of those things just that I'm consistently thinking about, thinking about my mom every day, and her just laying there and not moving and not able to walk and talk like she used to talk and all. And but anyway, y'all, let me let me get out of here. I'm trying to keep what can I say? I don't want to cry no more. I ain't gonna cry on this camera. I ain't gonna let y'all see me cry. But that's kind of way I'm feeling though. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here, and I wish everyone, I wish y'all to have a good one. When I say a good one, stay healthy and stay safe, and y'all take care. I'm gonna get on out of here. Y'all, all right, bye.